right. Oh, we're here. Yep. Okay, where are the others? They should be here soon since they're walking. A-la-da-dee, a-la-da-doo, a-la-da-dee, da-da-da-doo, a-la-da-dee, a-la-da-dee. Oh, hi guys. Why do you have headphones? For music, duh. We're outside. Stop always being on technology. Yeah. Whatever. Party poopers. Hey! I'm here. We're here. I can't breathe. You'll be fine. Hey guys. See, I told you I wasn't the only one. It's fine. I'm taking a nap. Are you kidding me? Ugh. Kinda cold. Yeah, it is. What if we start a little, what's it called? Oh, a fire. Do whatever, I don't really care. Okay, how do we set a fire up? Go get sticks and rocks. Oh my gosh, that took forever. It didn't take that long. It took 20 minutes. More like an hour. Now I'm hungry. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. I've been starving this whole time. Of course you've been. Let's make some food. Okay, I'll go get the supplies. Ooh, that smells good. Do I smell food? Yeah, we're making some. Whew, good thing I woke up. What is that? Are you guys making food? Yep. Yup. Ooh, can I have some? Yeah, when it's done. I like that sizzle. Ow. Can I eat some? No, it's gonna burn you. We just have to wait. That was hard to flip. Now we have to wait for the other one to cook. And then we can eat both of them after the other side cooks also. I kind of want to take a nap. No, you're the only one who knows how to do these things. You're right. I'm gonna go take a nap. Tell me when it's done. Me too. I'm too hungry to wait. You're gonna have to wait no matter what. When is it gonna be done? We don't know. Ugh, I'm bored. Well, then go to those mountains over there. Ooh, good idea. Rocks. 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 Ooh, a tree. Oh, I think I'll take a nap here. Wait, what if it gets ready? What the heck? You thought. No more falling. Oh, they're ready. Guys, come and eat. Food. Ooh. Finally. Alright, you guys can go ahead and eat. Oh, finally. Yeah, I want some. Mmm. Ooh, I want to eat mine. Wait, no. Come here. Alright, time to eat it. Wait, no, there's wax on it. You put it on fire! What do you mean I put it on fire? The wax will help. Ah, told you. Alright, let's go to bed. Aww, mine's on, has the wax on it too. Alright, yeah, let's go to bed. Finally. You boys can sleep outside. You kidding me? Ugh, let's go. Ooh, this is comfy. No, it's not. I'll sleep over here. What's this? Fire. Why is it so hot? I fell. Oh, a nice dip into the pond. Oh, I want to go on a nice dip of pond. Do it then. Wait. Oh, what is this? It's very hot and spicy. Yes, very. I wonder why we did not get it eaten. Me too. Ooh, this feels very, very nice. Feels like my torso is... Let's go this way. Okay. Ugh, what is that smell? Did they not turn off the campfire? Oh my gosh, oh my dog. Wait, where'd the sausages go? Whatever, that doesn't matter right now. Oh my gosh. Sophie! What? Where's your phone? Over there somewhere. Go get it! Oh, it's at the skateboard. Oh my dog! Here, take it. Hello? Hello, what's your emergency? What's your emergency? Well, we were camping, and then one of the people we were camping with didn't turn off the campfire, and there's a really big fire. It's so dim we could barely see. There's smoke everywhere. All right, we'll be on our way. Boys, let's go. Okay. Oh my dog. It's everywhere. Guys, get up. What's that smell? Ugh. Guys, what are you guys talking about? Oh, what is that? Huh? You guys forgot to turn off the campfire or put it off. We thought you guys did it. Did you guys not see the fire on? No, we weren't really paying attention. This is urgent. Stop talking about we weren't really paying attention. Oh my gosh. Did you call the police or ambulance, whatever you call in this situation? Yes, we did. They're coming. Oh my dog. Okay. Oh, they're here. Oh my gosh. Push the water. Okay. My face! Sorry, dude. Make the water go. I'm trying. Not many people are on duty right now. This is why this isn't your job. Alright, we're good. Stop pushing it. Okay. Oh, it stinks. Alright, now, what happened? Come on. We forgot to turn off the fire when we went to bed, and then Tiffany smelled it. She woke up and then she called you. I'm pretty sure it's Tiffany. I actually don't know. It was. All right. Well, don't do it again, guys. We weren't planning to. Why isn't it working? What the heck? Why isn't it working?